Hello viewers, welcome back to the class. So in this particular video, we are going to dive into the solution of this WAEC GCE past question. Okay, why is the past question? You can see the question. I have two questions in this video, but for the sake of this video, I will solve this question one. So the next video, I will give the dive into solution of the second question. So guys, if you're new to my channel, maybe you're just watching my video for the first time, I'd like you to subscribe, like, or turn the button in case you have benefit like this. You will definitely be the first one to find. Thank you for this. So, and also if you're watching off our Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, please follow us. Give a like to this video to share with your friends and family so they can benefit from this channel and from this page. Thank you. God bless you as you do so. I wish you more wisdom, learning, understanding. Okay. Without wasting time, let's dive into the solution of this problem. Now, the question is, the third and the seventh term of an AP, okay, of an arithmetic progression, as AP are 3 plus 4 root 3 and 3 plus 12 root 3 respectively. Find the fifth term of the AP. Now, we want to find the fifth term of the AP. The question should ask yourself now, first of all, and the most very important step, as a student, if you're solving any mathematics problem, if you solve any mathematics topic in exam, I always advise you that the most important step you should always do whenever you are in exam or solving mathematics problem is to identify the topic of the question. So if you look at this question now, the topic of this question is already exposed because it has given us arithmetic progression, which is AP, and it is under sequence. Now, since you can remember the topic, the next step now is, so okay, in the sequence, what are the formulas, okay, did it apply to solve any question in the sequence? Now, if you look at this question, they're talking about the number of terms, okay? We want to find the fifth term of this word of this AP we have here. So how to solve that? The first formula we use here is to use the formula of n term of an AP, okay? The question on what is the formula of n term of AP? The formula for n term of AP is given as, that is a TL is equal to, that is A, okay, a plus what, open bracket, we have n minus 1, a close bracket, multiplied by D. Now, this A means that the first term, okay, n means the position of term, or it means the number of term. Where this D, it means the common difference. Now, let's read the question again and let's derive our formula for the fourth term of AP. Now, to find the fifth term of AP exactly, in this place, fifth term of AP, it means that we want to find our n is equal to what, 5, because we want to find what, the fifth term of AP. Now, how do we get the formula for this fifth term of AP? Let's use this n term of AP to derive a formula. How do you derive it? Since the n is equal to 5, so let's put it into this. So it will be equal to, so our n term, the fifth term of AP, to be equal to, that is t or 5, this way becomes 5, equal to, that's A. Okay, when you put, okay, let me try a plus for like open bracket, we have n is equal to 5 minus 1, close bracket, and multiply by 1, D. Now, 5 minus 1, that gives 4. So therefore, the fifth term of AP is equal to, that is A plus what, that is 4, D. So this is the question we are about to look for. Before we solve this question, the fifth term of AP, you have to know the value of A, and also you have to know the value of D, which is the first term and the common difference. And in the question, the first term is not given, the common difference is not given. We only given the what, the third term, and instead the third and seventh term of AP are given that as 3 plus 4 root 3 and also 3 plus 12 root 3, which means that this word, okay, respectively, it means that third term is equal to this 3 plus or 4 root 3, while the seventh term is equal to 3 plus 12 root 3. Now, let's apply it now. The third term of an AP now, so let's say that the third term of AP, where our n is equal to 3, as third term of AP, so from this formula as our n term of AP, now we can derive the formula for the third term of AP from this place. So this one becomes, that is a 3 equal to, that's A plus, okay, open bracket, our n is equal to 3, you have n minus, that is 3 minus 1, rather, we have 3 minus 1, close bracket, that is D. Now, our third term of AP now, the formula, it becomes, we have A plus, okay, 3 minus 1, that is 2, we have 2D. So, and I say that the total of AP is equal to 3 plus what? 4 root 3. So that's definitely we have this one is also equal to, that is 3 plus, that is 4 what? Root 3. So this question is in form of solved form. Okay, so let's call this one equation 1 because we have 2 terms of AP here. We have the 7th term of AP now. So let's dive into the 7th term of this AP. Now, to get the 7th term of AP, it means that our n now is equal to what? 7. Now, let's apply the n term of AP formula to get the formula for 7th term of AP. So it means that TL7 is equal to, there is a plus open brackets, that is 7 minus 1 close bracket multiplied by D. Okay, so therefore now our 7th term of AP is equal to, there's a plus what? 7 minus 1, that gives us 6. Okay, multiplied by D, that is what our 6 was D. So this is the formula for 7th term of AP. This one is T. Now to be equal to, according to the question, the 7th term of AP is equal to what? 3 plus 12 root 3. So that will be equal to, we have what? 3. That is 3 plus, that is 12 what? Root 3. Now, let me write this one very well, that is 12. Now, let's call this one equation 2. With the help of the equation 1 and with the help of this equation 2, so we can get our value for A, that is the first term, and can also get the value for D, which is the common difference. Then we get the answer for the 5th term of the AP. So how do we do that? Now, from this equation 1 and this equation 2, you can write it together. Okay, to get a good result, let me write it out to make it more easy. For an equation 1, we have our equation 1. Let me say equation, that is 1. Let me put it like that. We have our A plus 2D is equal to, that is 3 plus what? That is 4 what? Root 3. This one is the equation 1, the one I have here. Okay, equation 2, we have A plus, that is 6 what? D equal to, that is 3 plus 12 what? Root 3. This one is what? Equation 2. So what I have here. So the next thing to make it more easy, let's subtract equation 1 now, equation 1 from equation 2. Let's subtract equation 1 to equation 2, then we get our common difference. Why are we subtracting? Because we want to omit any of these variables, either variable S or either variable A or variable D. But to make it easy now, variable A, they have the same coefficient here. So it is very easy to omit what? Variable A. So that is why I have to subtract. When I say A minus A here, we give us 0. Now, let's subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, so it means that the first one here, that is A minus A. Okay, now, plus, the next one we have 6, okay, 6D minus, that is 2D. So that is done with this part to be equal to, that will be equal to, here we have 3 what? Minus 3. And also this one will be equal to plus, and we have 12 words root 3 minus, that is 4 words root 3. Now A minus A, we have 0. 6D minus 2D, this one is 2D, 6D minus 2D, definitely we have that is 4 word D, equal to 3 minus 3, that gives us 0. Okay, so here 12 root 3, this was give us indices here. Okay, we have solved here. We have 12 root 3 minus 4 root 3. They have root 3 as common. Okay, they have root 3 as common here. So it means that what root 3, they have root 3 as root 3. It's also root 3, so you can easily subtract it together because they have the same coefficient. Now 12 minus 4, that will give us 8. So here we have 8 words root 3. Now to get the value of this D, what you just have to do here, it means that you cancel the number or anything that attached to this D. Now we make this the coefficient, we may want to make this formula. You need to divide both sides by the coefficient of D, which is 4. We divide both sides by 4, we divide both sides by 4. So my 4 here, 1, 4 here, we cancel each other. So 4 here we have 1, 4 in 8, we have 2. Now our D now is equal to, that is 2 words root 3. Now we have get the value of D. D is equal to 2 root 3. Now to get the value of A now, You substitute this D into any of this equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2. You still get the same answer. So to make it more easy, let's substitute into equation 1. Now let me try to create a space here. Okay, we have got in equation 1. So let me put that in equation 1 like that. In equation 1 we have we have a plus, okay, that's a 2d. Okay, instead of writing this d to make it easy, we have d here. Okay, let me write it out for those of you that are not familiar much with mathematics, to make it more easy for you to identify. That's 3 plus, here we have, that is forward, root 3. So this is equation 1 we have here, is the same thing right here. Now we want to get the value of this a, and d is equal to 2 root 3. So let's replace, anywhere you see d, just put it as well, 2 root 3. So then this equation becomes, we have a is equal to, a plus rather, we have a plus, that is 2 open bracket, our d is equal to, that is 2 what, that is 2 what, root 3, plus bracket equal to, that is 3 plus, that is 4 what, root what of 3. Now, let's open the bracket then. 2 times 2, we have 4. So this one becomes, that is a is plus, okay, that is for 4 what, root what 3 equal to, this one is a 3 what plus, that is 4 what, root what 3. Now, if you look at this space now, we can say, okay, let me try to clean some parts here. Let me clean this one out. Okay, let me try to clean it. Now, from this space now, we can collect like time because we want to make a sort of formula. So this one you have to go to this right side. Now, a can be alone. Now, if it says that, let me validate it. We have our a now is equal to, we take this on the other side. So when you are taking this one, this is plus, we change to minus when you come to this place. And in this part here, we have what? We have 3 plus what? 4 what? 4 root 3 there. And when you take this one, becomes a minus what? That is what? That is 4 what? Root what? 3. So here, if you look at this one now, plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3, we definitely gives what? 0. Why? Because they have the same value. And one of it is positive, and the remaining is what? Negative, definitely becomes what? 0. Now, means that our a now is equal to what? 3. So the value for a is equal to 3. You have got the value for a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 2 root 3. Now, to get the fifth term of AP is quite very simple now. So let me write it out. This is the formula we derive it out. Yeah. So we have our d5. This is the fifth term of AP is equal to, that is a plus what? That is 4d. Now, our a is 3 and d is equal to what? 2 root 3. So let's put it there and then we get our answer. Now, we have our t5 that equals to, we have our a, which is equal to what? 3 plus, and our d, okay, we have 4, and our d is equal to what? That is open bracket, that is 2 what? Root what? 3 plus brackets. So let's open this bracket. So we have our, the fifth term of AP is equal to 3 plus 4 times 2, that give us what? As 8. So we have 8 what? Root what? 3. So this is the answer to this question. That is the fifth term. Find the fifth term of the AP. The answer is equal to 3 plus 8 root 3. That is answer to this problem. And that is how you solve this problem, guys. So in case you have any question, you can go to the comment section and let me know where is the issue there. And in case you have many mathematics problem you want us to look at this video like this, you can also go to the comment section and message me direct on this number. Thank you for watching this photo this moment, and thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on in case you have a benefit like this. You will definitely be the first one notified. Thank you, and don't forget to share this video. Okay, before you go and try this second question. In the next video, I will dive into the solution of the second question. Okay, bye for now. Thank you. Bye.